Welcome, it's denome. This video is going to be an update of how things have been so far, how our picks have performed, as well as there will be an announcement in this video as well. And I have updated the beginner's guide also. And in this video I will also show a few picks that I'm currently looking at that might be good potential, but I'm yet to invest in them. I just want to show them because I think they're interesting. And let's get the announcement out of the way first. So I have decided to become a full-time YouTuber as well as an investor. So I will be quitting my part-time job that I had before, and for that reason there will be a join button somewhere down below in this video. And if you do decide to contribute monthly to this channel, there will be no extra perks. So all the content that I produce will always be free. And you can join our Telegram. We now have about 600 people here. And you can join here and talk about different coin picks, different ideas, almost anything you can talk about in the group as well. And all of that will be free as well. So if you do decide to contribute, you can contribute with a monthly subscription by clicking the join button. And you can also, if you have a Brave browser, donate me some band here by clicking here on the top on my channel. So that's it for the announcement. Now let's take a look at how our picks have performed. So this is band, and this is of course the biggest one that I want to showcase right now. So when we made the video, the price was about $1.6 over here, and now we are about $7.7. So it was a good run so far. And do know that I have now sold half of my band, and if there will be a pullback, I will be buying more, but half of my band is now staked, half I've sold, and I will be buying more with a pullback here. But that's just band. And then we have CRO here, and CRO, it took a nosedive here before, and I did sell a lot of my CRO as well as I sold my MCO before this dip here. Let's make a little bit smaller. So will I be making more Crypto.com related content? I do think the Crypto.com debit card is still a good choice, especially the 10K one. But I think the company will have a lot of trouble going forward because of the legal issues that people have, and there will be some sort of legal action taken against them. So it may shake the company up. But if they do survive, then the card currently, the 10K card, is a solid pick. But there's some added risk of having CRO currently. So I do think this is a high risk asset currently still. So we'll see how it goes. But I think I will cover Crypto.com in the future as well. So if you think I'm a sellout on that, I think this is still a very good choice for the new beginners. And new beginners, they will come to Crypto.com regardless if I make videos about it or not. And I want people to also see other things in the crypto space despite Crypto.com. So if they come to this channel, maybe they will learn something else also and not just stick around for that high risk asset. So I will be covering something, but I will not make dedicated videos for Crypto.com anymore, but I will be covering it, or I will not at least delete the previous videos. So that's it for that. Unibright, it hasn't done much yet, but it's been on an uptrend here. So it's been a good ride so far, but it's been stagnating here for a while. But if you are in the liquidity pool for UBT, then you have been making some good gains. So I think they just announced a Coca-Cola partnership, and for some reason the price didn't move yet. And I'm sure there will be more announcements with UBT also coming in the future. So I think this is a very low risk, high reward asset. So I do like Unibright a lot currently. So that's it for Unibright. Then XIO, this is of course a great thing. We bought it. I think it was somewhere here. We bought it, and it's been going well. And now it had a nice move to the upside already, and now a short pullback. So now I think XIO is an excellent pick if you do decide to still get it. Of course, it's in your own risk, but I've been in the beta and it's been working well, as well as Ivan on Tech, he had an announcement also, and Ivan on Tech is pumping our bags with XIO currently, so I'm very happy about that. And the beta is working well, and they are making updates on it, and they're going forward. So I'm a long-term XIO holder for now, and I do think this price is still good if you want to get in before the public beta. It has good potential. The market cap is still only 8 million, so think about that one. Then Orion, we got it at about $2.3 or something like that was the video, and it's now at 2.6, 2.8. And they have a big marketing team also. It's a 10 million market cap coin, and when you stake it, you get 39% annual return. And I think it's a good pick for the pre-staking rewards, at least for now. And if it works, then it's going to be great. But if it doesn't work, it has some pumpamentals, just because more people are looking into this project right now, because they are involved with ERD, and exchanges like KuCoin, BitMax, and Biki are currently allowing staking on their exchange, and they're creating the brokerage program with Orion, as far as I know. So I do think it's a good project. I'm going to be there for probably a long time, and when they have the working product in Q4 this year, maybe it will be doubled by then. So I'm not expecting massive gains until then, but with the 39% pre-staking reward, I think it's still a good pick. But again, this is a high risk pick. XIO is maybe medium risk pick. But things that I'm currently looking at, one is Balancer, because Balancer was on the list of becoming listed on Coinbase, like Band was also on that list, and this is basically what happened with the listing to Coinbase, this move right here. But Balancer is not currently on Coinbase yet. Market cap is 70 million, and if we take a look at the price movements, we can see that it mooned here, and now it's only $10 currently, and it's been consolidating here. And they just announced a version 2 of no, not Balancer, it was BNT, Bancor. I bought some of Bancor also. It's not on this video, but thanks Michael for letting me know. Michael was talking about Balancer in the group, so bought some Balancer. It's already up today. Bancor I bought today, but Balancer, it might be an interesting pick, even though it's DeFi and I don't like DeFi too much. Maybe it will make a small pullback like it did here before, but yeah, it might be a solid pick. I haven't bought it yet. I'm looking more into it. And another thing I'm looking at currently is Compound. I bought some Compound today earlier, because if you take a look at it, it also had this massive move to the upside, and I was looking at its network, what was it, the network activity, and more addresses are brought into more addresses own Compound every single day than previously, and the holding addresses is just going up, but the price has come about 65% to the downside. So I did think that maybe I want to get it currently, because it's still one of the best lending platforms on the market. So I did get some Compound as well. The market cap is a little bit high, but I thought that it may still have some fundamentals left, and the volume was rising here, so I did get some Compound for myself as well. So that's it for those. And for the beginners, this is the updated version currently. I took out Band from here. I put XIO here. UBT is still here. And here I'm still saying that the CRO is okay with the current price. So I did add the risk column here. So I think CRO is currently high risk asset, but just for the price that you can currently get it with the $50 starting bonus, I think it's a solid pick. You get your money's worth with the Spotify subscription alone. So as long as the cards work in your area, then it's gonna be good. If they can survive the whoever wants to sue them, then of course it will be good. And all of their like SEO statistics, new people coming into the platform, and the syndicate event, it was more oversubscribed than previously, which just tells me that people are still in the platform. So I do think CRO will be going up, just because of how easy it is for newcomers to get into the platform. And for the 10K, if you have 10K, this is the allocation. By the way, this is not supposed to be, wait a minute. Yeah, this number is wrong. Yeah. So here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Orion, just as a high risk asset, I put it there. RLC, that's what I bought yesterday, I think also. I put it here. UBT, XIO, CRO here. Maybe you want to get the 10K one because it is very good value for your money. So I did get it here, and then 3,000 that you can use for your own choice. And of course, this is not financial advice, but this is what I would probably do if I was just starting out. These choices right here. So that's it for this video. By the way, RLC, I forgot to put it here, but let's just take a look at it. So it's 101 on the market cap. And what they're allowing you to do is they're allowing cloud computing. So if you know Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Cloud, they are basically allowing that on blockchain. And they have good partnerships already, and they have an amazing roadmap. And I know Chico Crypto has been talking about RLC a lot. And if we just take a look at the chart here, it made this massive move to the upside, and now it's been took a downturn almost like 50%, and it finished that correction. So I do think that it may be consolidating here for a while, but it will probably do another leg to the upside here as well. So that's why I got some RLC, because it's not too expensive currently, and the fundamentals are really good, the partnerships are really good, and yeah, that's basically my thoughts currently for my investments, and that's it for the updates. And I hope that whatever happened with crypto.com, I know it was a blow for me, and I know many people are still upset about it. I'm still a little bit upset about it. I'm not going to be investing any of my assets on crypto.com. Like, I'm not using the earn program. I'm just using the syndicates in the future probably, as well as the because I still have the active stake there, so I'm going to be using those, but I'm not going to be adding more money on them for the time being. Just whatever I already had locked there, I will keep it. But it is what it is, and a lot of good opportunities out there. A lot of coins are pumping, and I will be covering more coins in the future whenever I see a solid pick that is low risk, high reward, or at least medium risk, high reward. So this is the update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.